Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful DeLonghi espresso machine. After replacing some parts, it was leaking from the group head from here and the top. So I found this part like cracked, so I need to replace it, and it comes in just this gasket in the bottom. This is the part. It's cracked from here all the way, so it comes like this. Is the gasket from the bottom. This is in the group head here, and this gasket, the porter filter fit on it, and there is another gasket. It fits in the top of it, so this part fits from here and the gasket from there, and there is like the hole. So you need to disassemble everything in the top, put it and install it again. So let's go ahead and test it and make an espresso shot on it. Oh, this one was like all the way there, so it's not gonna. Okay. Wonderful shot. Let's test the steamer. It takes a little bit until it gets hot. That works perfect. And then the hot water. Works perfect too. Thank you for watching.